Alright guys, today's gonna be a fun vlog. We're here at TopKart. This is our first time here in Bangkok. Are you excited?
Yeah, never drive before. I don't know how to drive. Yeah.
So this is like the newest spot here in Bangkok. I've just been seeing this all over my social media. So we're super excited and I'm gonna show you exactly what the experience is like here in this vlog. You think you're gonna win?
I don't know.
You can't crash, you know, you gotta...
I just want to like drive safe.
Yeah. So this is what the entrance looks like. It kind of looks like a car meetup kind of vibe. Really, really nice with the neon lights, and this looks like a really cool hangout spot. So this is TopKart. Wow, the design is really nice. So this is what the pricing looks like. And they also have dual cart, which is cool. So two people can ride on one car. They also have mandatory gears. So you have to have a balaclava and rental shoes. All right, so first things first, we gotta register. So this puts you into the system and it also ranks you amongst other players. We just finished registering. We have the balaclavas. Wow, so this feels like super legit. All right, so here on the second floor rooftop. And as you can see, it seems like each booth has their own group right here. And wow, just look at this view. Man, what a nice view, especially with the backdrop of Bangkok. We're here in the Chitlom neighborhood. Very, very cool.
Oh my god.
Oh, oh, he's going the wrong way. So this guy right here is so fast, the one in the bunny helmet right there. This guy is just flying. Oh man. So we're in the briefing room right now. We're gonna prepare for what's next.
You'll be driving Sonic Arts from France. Machines built for performance, built for gym.
Fasten your helmet correctly. Close your visor to protect you from debris. Each driver must have a fair play attitude and must respect the instructions given by the track marshals.
Let's get it. So here we are, we gotta grab our own helmets. So they have different sizes as you can see here. Wow, cannot hear anything. This is insane. Are you ready?
Yes.
You guys ready?
So ready.
I'm scared.
Be careful.
Oh, this is surreal, guys. This is surreal. They give me special permission to hold this camera and drive one-handed. This is intense. I actually feel so much adrenaline right now. I don't even think I can record all this, but I'm gonna be driving one-handed, man. This is intense. Oh shit! This actually feels like F1. Oh shit! Here we go. Oh shit! Oh, I need to drive with two hands for sure. This thing is heavy. Oh shit! Oh shit! That was the most fun I've had in a long ass time. Holy shit. I just got smacked. Someone just like rear-ending me. Oh man. That was so intense. I feel a little dizzy. Oh my gosh. Alright, what did you guys think?
It was really fun. Super fast. I think I was going like, I don't know, probably 50 kilometers off those bends.
I mean, it's like so much adrenaline, like insane. And you bumped into me, right?
I did. Sorry.
I literally felt it. I was like, oh snap, and then
A little bit of whiplash.
yeah. I was like, keep going. How did you feel?
Yeah, I feel good. Like
Yeah.
it's very fun.
It's so fun. We're going for round 2. This time in a dual cart. Yeah, here we go again. Here we go again. Excited?
Go look at my hair. It's crazy. He dries so fast. So we just finished racing. How do you feel?
I mean, it's so much adrenaline. Like one of the most exciting like moments I've had in a long time. Like it's your heart is just racing like super fast. Really fun.
Yeah, for me it's the first time I drive this one. I never drive a car before too. So before we race, I'm so nervous and I ask staff like, is this easy to drive? And then he makes sure like, oh, is this easy to drive? Don't worry. So yeah, it's not bad.
Yeah, not too bad.
Yeah, so fun and I want to do it again next time.
Highly recommend you guys check out TopKart. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. Make sure to follow me on Instagram. And as always, if you're interested in finding remote work, check out the links in the description for the free training. And we'll see you guys in the next video. Thanks for watching.
Bye bye.